This episode of the Weekly Iron is brought to you by Thunder Creek Equipment. Learn more about the company's no hazmat, no CDL field service and fleet management solutions at thundercreek.com. Hello and welcome to the Weekly Iron for Tuesday, October 21st. Advanced tech is key to closing workforce gaps and hitting deadlines. Rugged laptops and tablets are boosting construction efficiency by reducing downtime, improving diagnostics, and streamlining maintenance. You can read more at constructionequipment.com. Komatsu has moved its iconic 1949 P&H 2100 BL electric rope shovel to the Elko, Nevada campus, highlighting its historic significance and engineering marvel. Fun fact, the machine is as tall as a 5-story building and weighs more than 1 million pounds. And Link-Belt has expanded its X45 excavator lineup with its smallest model, the new 145 X4S. Equipped with the 102 horsepower Isuzu engine and features customizable cab displays, a wide-angle visual system, and optional grade control. Have a great rest of the week. We'll see you on the next Weekly Iron.